aplázalo. Un poco más.
Ok, listo. Ven para acá, chiquillos, háganse todos. Ser día de tus santos, te venimos.
Do it me. All right. You jumping, Julian?
Oye, mi amor.
Yes. It does. It looks amazing.
Ahí está. Ahí está. No lo aplaudes tan fuerte para que no quede. Así está bien, así está bien. Ahí está, ¿viste? Mira qué bonito quedó. ¿Tu bebé vas a hacer uno? ¿Vas a hacer una tortilla? Sí. Qué guapo. Mira. Ahora sí. Ahí, aplázalo. Un poco más. Sí.
Sí.
Así, sí. Así, mi amor. Oh, mira eso. Mira, bonito. Mira.
¡Ah! Se le montó un chiquito.
¿Cómo se infla? Sí, sí.
Dad, it's a bubble.
Dos tortillas bonitas. Mira, son iguales.
Sí.
Tenga, pero no tengo servilletas.
We are headed to Waukegan for a special treat for Julian because he did really well at his first ever dental work appointment. Like he actually had to have like sealant placed and everything, and they had to like file a tooth down. So yeah, it was also a slightly traumatic appointment for me as well, and so I need some time. What'd you say?
This I to a kibia.
Then go ahead.
Y usar el pegamento. Cuando termines lo pegas a doble. Muy bien. Solo una vez. Una vez.
There you go. That one? That's the one you want to read? That's the one you want to read? Okay, we are leaving. I think Julian had a good time. Made a bunch of crafts.
Hello, we are at the Buff, and I don't know why it's called the. No, it's called the Flow. And it's at a birthday party, so I'm gonna show you inside. Yeah. Say hello, Mom.
Nice shirt.
Thank you.
Julian.
Okay, so we're at the restaurant now. Coach Nina's birthday. Nina's doing a video of the whole thing.
It looks like that's the only thing there, but my mom told me that there's some cheese, so I think they're gonna make it. And... Annie, it's my friend.
Mexico is playing.
Mexico's playing with England.
Yeah, but last time I checked, it was 0. Yeah, we just finished our workout, P90X, and now we're headed to jiu-jitsu class, but it's raining really hard. Becca called it, so I think this is the one. I think this is the one to break the Yucatan. I think it's like the rain, because I can hear it. Like, it sounds bad. And we're about to drive it, so I really feel like seeing this situation is important. So, Juice! Let's go, boy! Oh yeah, that's it. Ooh! All right, guys, let's get our stuff on. Ooh! Yeah, it's raining. Wait till we get on the road. That's sun. Yeah, the roads are gonna be crazy. For sure, the roads are gonna be crazy. Ooh! We love rain. Rain, rain, rain. No. I gotta get my gear and stuff on. Hold up. Yo, I feel like we're in Jurassic Park right now. God dang.
Can you get the kids set up? I have another one in my bag too.
Do you have a Super Bowl, Dad? Do you have your Super Bowl?
Wet garbage. Exactly. The highway is flooded. You can see it. You can see them splashing. Yeah.
I love rain.
I do too. Yeah, this is it. This might be it. This might be it. Yo, I missed the craziest puddle. Yeah, he better stop. Oh, you didn't see him?
Huh?
You didn't see him?
No, the guy where he swerved over into the lane.
Oh, yeah.
With his stupid little pop.
Yeah, it was a little pop. Ooh, you see that?
That was so thick.
Yeah, it does, man. I'm gonna see if I can get. Wow, yes, it's done. We're done. It's backed up all the way back here, and we're done. Look at that puddle. We're not making it. Oh my god. Deep as it used to be. No, it's deep. It's still deep. Ooh. All right, yeah, give me the orange. Let me see if I can get it. Oh my gosh, yeah. Yeah, it's bad. There's a coconut floating right there. It seems like a little boat. I told you to go over. You didn't want to hear nothing I had to say. Have fun, my boy. Yeah. Julian going to music class, and we have to go to jiu-jitsu. Oh, you missed it. Yo, there's a trash bag floating. Look at it's like waves, like the ocean out here. Like I couldn't find my jiu-jitsu belt, my gi belt. I think I left it at training, but we'll see. Woo! We just left Yum Yums. Now we headed to the Shadrawi. Nina, don't go too far.
Okay.
But we walking around at night. I don't really show y'all Merida at night enough. Julian up front.
Trust me.
What you got?
I got a cocoa thing. It's very good.
What did we get for food?
We got 3 sushis, 1 ramen, and 2 dumplings. And,
Julian, up front.
and then yeah.
Up front, all the way in front.
And then here, I got a cocoa thing. And Julian too. Yeah. We love
So
it.
I didn't get any video of me
We love
single
Mom.
dadding it, but I've been single dadding it for like
3 days.
3 days.
Now
Thugging it. Julian, up front.
It's gonna be 4 because Mom's
Thugging it.
being
But
delayed.
it's good, yeah. She was supposed to be here already, but planes delayed, flights delayed, and you know,
Now they're done.
thugging it.
Mom,
What?
it's so much fun like that.
Nah, don't try to butter me up now. Don't try to butter me up. So that's where we headed right now. Yeah, you just burped around there. Big shit out here. What? This place is huge. Nina, please stop. There's a... hey, come here. Let's go to the sports section. There's a sports section all the way over here.
Okay, it is almost the weekend. A lot of people ask what we do for school for the kids abroad. Nina had been in a Montessori school here, but we went back to homeschooling at the beginning of this year, and now we're getting Julian into some stuff. So I'm going to show you a little bit what we do, and then just talk about other options as well. What you doing, Nina?
I'm doing math.
What kind of math?
This 100 math
Where?
right here on the paper.
100 problems? Not
No.
100.
Like 1, 2, 3. Because 3 numbers are 100.
Ah, I see.
Yeah.
And for Julian, I have a bunch of worksheets. I do this stuff for Nina as well. It's really easy to get stuff printed. So this is the type of stuff that we're doing with him. Trace it. Good. Good. Okay, next line right here. There's more. Good.
Thanks. Nice.
Roll the dice. Okay.
Okay.
What did they say? Here, do it here. Okay, so we have...
This roll.
Okay, you gotta count the dots now. You ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You counted too many. Hold on. Where's number 6? That's number 9.
6.
That's 10. Where's number 6? Yes, good job. That's number 6. What color are you gonna color it?
It's this one.
That one's number 9. There are tons of school options here in Merida, whether you do public or private. For public, you do not need to be a citizen. They don't have to have residency. You can go with a passport and sign them up. I've heard it's not the best quality, but it's a really good way to learn Spanish because it's like bilingual. They're gonna have English part of the day. So if you really want Spanish immersion and that's more your main focus, then public is a good option. Private, there's a range of prices. We have some school tours in our old videos, which I will put somewhere to link so you guys can see the options. There's also a lot of homeschool groups here, or just other people that homeschool if you're trying to link up and do like field trips. There's museums, there's a music museum, there's a Maya museum, there's stuff happening constantly in Centro, there's the English library, which you've probably seen. So yeah, there's a lot. If you have questions, put them down in the comments.